Let's learn punctuation. Part 3. In this lesson, you will be learning about question mark. Yes, this is a question mark. Dear students, question marks are used after questions. Let's see some examples. Why are you running? It's a WH question, and I've used a question mark at the end. Let's take another example. Will you be visiting the northern areas for your holidays? Will is an auxiliary, and we can use the auxiliaries to form questions. See a different kind of question? It was a fascinating movie, wasn't it? There is a question at the end. There's another kind of question, and they are called statement questions. It means that sometimes it happens that people ask a question in the shape of a statement. So you and me can ask a question that would appear to be a statement, but actually it would be a question. Let's see this example. You'll be coming to our party. At the end, I've used a rising tone. This makes it a question. I think the store is still opened. And so at the end there is a question mark. I believe you have understood. Don't forget to like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.